Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create a quick flash transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, drag footage on the timeline. Then create a new color matte. Go to the project panel, click New Item and select Color Matte, choose White and click OK. Drag the color matte onto the timeline, placing it above the cut between your two clips. Trim it to around 5 to 10 frames. Select the matte, go to Effect Controls, and create keyframes for opacity 0% at the start, 100% at the halfway of the transition, and back to 0% at the end. Right-click the first keyframe and select Ease, and right-click the last keyframe and select Ease out. This smooths the transition. Play the timeline to preview your flash transition. Adjust the duration or add effects if needed. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.